Hey, my name is Joseph. Let's see how we can change the password of a WordPress user through phpMyAdmin. This method is particularly useful when you are logged out of your WordPress site with no access to the email but still have access to the database. Once you log into phpMyAdmin, on the left side you will see the list of all existing databases. Expand the one for your website. If you are unsure which one it is, check your wp-config.php file. From the list of tables, select WP users. It will display the list of users on your WordPress site. Click edit on the row for the user you want to update. It will show the user's info. In the users pass column, delete the current value and enter the password you want. Next, in the function drop menu next to the field, choose MD5. However, note that MD5 is now considered insecure. Starting with WordPress 6.8, WordPress uses bcrypt by default for password hashing. So WordPress will automatically rehash the password securely the next time the user logs in. If the password change doesn't work as expected, you can use password hash function from the menu. After that, scroll down and click Go. Now let's try logging in with the new password. It worked. Hope you learned something new from this tutorial. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and checking out my other videos and shorts. Thanks for watching.